How to change your password in your Windows. Hey guys, welcome back. If you guys are wanting to change your password on your Windows, you may follow up the steps. All you gotta do is head over to your settings for that, devices settings, hit Windows plus I for that, and your settings opens up on your screen. Now from the given options on your left hand side, look out for account options, which is right between apps and time and language. So locate it up, open it up, and then once you open it up, from the given options, you may scroll down and look out for the sign in options. Open it up, and within sign in options, you will be finding ways to sign in. So if you have used your password here, let's say you have used your password, if you would like to change it, drop this option down. And when you do, here instead of add, you will be finding a change option. You may just go ahead and look out for that change option. After that, create up a new password for yourself. And then from that onwards, you will be using that password on your device in order to log in. So this is the method you can apply if you would like to change your password on your Windows as well. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.